Hi guys, it's Christine, and please join me in this walking tour in Cancun streets, Quintana Roo, Mexico. And remember, life is too short, so travel while you can.
Church, yeah, market show there's the corner. Maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes. How about the coffee? Like Elba? Ah, so the Plaza La Isla is Plaza La Isla take the bus. Yeah, maybe 10 minutes with the bus. Come on, come on. Gracias. Blender excursion. Oh, it's nice. Woman. Gracias. Are you looking for shopping? Food? And then turn right. Perfect. Good morning. Hola. Sí.
What's your name, Becca?
You didn't find those files that you were looking for?
Well, there's skulls here, Scott.
Cancún na yan. See? This is 400 pesos.
Look, it says that.
That's so cute.
I know.
Let's go, hot.
Okay. Before I keep on.
Did you text it to her?
No, I don't even have Wi-Fi.
Yes, you do.
Look what it stands for. Look. Oh, yeah. I texted her yesterday. I missed her.
Oh, not
No,
here.
we can just get two stuff from here.
Oh, okay. But then going back, that's the road stop.
Yeah, so going back, it's the opposite direction.
Oh.
So we might as well just cross the street
Oh,
then.
so it's not
Go straight
hot.
down.
What?
Yeah.
Scott, can I see mine?
If I buy this 20 bucks, probably over there in like the city, it's probably more.
Oh yeah, I know. There's like that statue I bought. That guy was gonna get one. He wanted the 40 bucks. I was like, wow, 40.
It's fine, I'll stay.
And I think that lady. Hey, how about this?
I know.
How about this? How about this? How
Yeah.
about this? Oh,
We
there's
were gonna take-
Oh!
If you go over there and take pictures with them, you have to pay. Because you have to get.
I'm so
You
hot.
have to see what time it is.
Future. Come on.
No, we have to go back.
Bring it back.
Yeah.
Pack everything we can.
Wala na. She said, let's go walk back over there and then grab a taxi.
There's stuff there.
There's a two.
Oh, look, there's dress right there.
Oh, no. I thought we go back there and grab
Yeah, let's walk here and see, because I know there's more stuff, there's more
Oh,
food here. And then we can just... Good morning.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's just right here. Ah! Oh, Daddy. Good morning.
Oh, look, you want to take a picture of this?
Okay.
$5 pictures. Take it. No?
The window is looking. Say water drink line.
Have a nice t-shirt.
No, we already bought.
Okay, something
We
different.
already got.
Something different. Mexican air condition inside.
So hot, my God.
I know, look at this is so
Kung
cool.
magbasa ka, babayaran mo. Come on, Kristen. Come on, babe.
No, nada.
Nada.
Blankets.
No, because we already full.
Can I get boba?
Where?
Good morning. Hola.
Sarado pa yan.
Good morning.
Tignan mo.
Let's close.
Close, see?
Hey, $1 t-shirt.
Mom,
Hey, $1 t-shirt.
How much?
Huh? 500 pesos.
Oh.
Yes. Hey. Look.
Look. No.
how much is this anyway?
Daddy.
$30?
Look. Hey.
It's up to you. Thank you.
Give me 25.
No, sorry. Too much.
Oh, look at this baby. Oh, look, Mom, they have names.
No. Neo?
Neil and Tequila. Yeah.
Is your dad?
My husband.
Oh, sorry. Filipina.
See.
That's why you look so young.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, Mom.
He asked me if you're my father.
Ew, here.
I said, oh, my God, you look so nice. No, I wanna just keep walking. Sí, poquito español, but solo.
Aquí tengo el abanico para que no use esa cosa porque se puede.
Hola.
Playera, artesanía.
No. Sí, he venido. I know, we have to go. Yeah, we're going back now. Buenos días.
¿Habla español?
No, solo poquito.
Solo poquito. Just looking. Don't push the bag. Don't push it.
It's okay. You wanna go look, babe? Inside?
Oh, look, Mom.
Don't push the bag. You like something, just let it go.
Oh, yeah.
Don't push, don't rush. Like a people.
Yeah. Kirsten, show me that.
¿Cuánto trae? Cocodrilo. I got dolphins. I got...
So hot. Let's go. What time is it? Alas 10. 10. Oh my God, we need to go back. 10 o'clock.
You have time.
We have check out at 10.
Yeah,
12.
yeah. Follow the leader.
Mom, those are my big stuff.
You need to... This is so cute. Oh, we need to go because, oh, how much is this? Come on,
What is that?
150 pesos.
how much is
Mom.
Nothing else, amigos?
Where you guys from?
Vegas.
Vegas, from Nevada? Oh, nice.
Wow, so
so hot. So hot.
Bienvenida, amiga.
Hello there. Good morning. How are you today? Tequila, mezcal. What are you looking for? T-shirts.
Gold, silver.
The two sisters. Welcome.
No, we're gonna walk across.
Give me a chance to read you out.
How old are you? That's good. Chance to read you
A
all.
little bit, not that much.
Oh, look at that trick.
There's a lot of stores here. Babe, look, babe, 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 look.
Oh, yeah, Spot, look.
Take it. Which one is? Which one?
Mine, no. Spot, what do you want?
Oh, you have a Penn State one? That's Ohio State. You don't have Penn State, do you?
A ver, el Penn State. Mexican, come here.
You got Penn State, then you got it. But
Penn?
How
Penn
much?
State.
How much?
No, I have to see if I have it. Chamaco, ¿cuál es el Penn State de Ohio?
Penn, yeah.
No. ¿Cuál es el Penn State?
Kirsten, let's go down there. Look, Kirsten.
How much?
Oh, that's so cute. Ask him, ask him. You have still have. How much? What is, how much? How much?
$20.
20.
This one $10.
$15.
It's my first I'm open. This one is 45, 50.
Mom, look. Take a picture of me.
Everything, but she doesn't want to spend money.
Yeah, she has my mom with
I
my.
have 20 for each. My second check. Nobody has cash.
Oh, look.
Babe, so how much is it?
Oh, is it over here?
How much is it?
Find it first. Stay with AC, señorita. Where are you from? Reno, Nevada? Or Las Vegas?
Nevada.
We know there. All the rich people is there.
California.
Are you smart?
I hope so. I think so.
Yes, say Daisy.
Do you have a speaker?
Yes.
Speaker? How much?
A sticker.
Speaker.
Cancún. Yes, I have it. Let's see if you smart. Open it, man.
Open this.
Let me get the sticker, okay? Stay here. Stay here.
One of these boxes.
Mom, come look.
One of these boxes. Yeah. That's good that you have it.
Hold on.
Let's go. Wait, I just saw it. What?
Can you do it again?
What's up?
Okay, now
What
you.
the heck? I just saw it. That's so weird.
Okay, let me try.
Yes, you got it.
Where do we get, babe? Book.
Oh, put Uber down.
Yeah, book for Uber here.
We have to cross, I thought.
No, we're here.
No, right here.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Magnet.
You can sit there. Hola. Oh, so hot. Come on.
Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!